Hi, this is Tim Rosansky with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over common water damage spots in your home. Water damage can silently wreak havoc on your home, leading to costly repairs and potential health risks, whether from a leaky toilet, a faulty sink, or hidden moisture buildup. Identifying problem areas early is key to maintaining a clean and sanitized living space. Let's explore 4 common areas where water damage occurs and how to prevent it. Bathrooms, the most vulnerable spot. Bathrooms are a constant battleground against moisture and humidity. Leaks around toilets, under sinks, and inside shower enclosures can create wet and damp conditions perfect for mold growth. Regularly check caulking, grout, and plumbing seals to prevent water seepage that weakens floors and walls. Exhaust fans and dehumidifiers help reduce humidity and prevent lingering dampness. Kitchens. Hidden leaks cause big problems. The sink, dishwasher, and refrigerator are major sources of water damage. Under sink plumbing can deteriorate, leading to slow leaks that rot cabinets and floorings. Appliances with water lines, like refrigerators and dishwashers, can develop leaks that go unnoticed for weeks. Inspect water connections regularly and wipe up any moisture around these appliances to catch leaks early. Basements. The perfect environment for water intrusion. Basements, basements often suffer from high humidity and poor drainage, leading to wet walls, damp carpets, and mold growth. Water can enter through foundation cracks, sump pump failures, or flooding from heavy rain. Installing a sump pump using a dehumidifier and sealing foundation cracks can help keep basements dry and mold free. Attics, the overlooked danger zone. A leaky roof is one of the biggest culprits of attic water damage. Poor ventilation, clogged gutters, or storm damage can lead to wet insulation and wood rot. A neglected attic can develop damp beams and mold, weakening your home structure. Check your attic after storms, clean gutters regularly, and inspect roofing for leaks to prevent water intrusion. To conclude, water damage can happen anywhere in your home, but early detection is key. If you have any other questions about water damage restoration, please make sure to call PDQ Restoration.